Could we prevent vision loss?
These are bioactives that have been shown, they've been shown to be good for aging, eyesight, to prevent vision loss.
Our eyes are often called the windows to the soul, but they're also our windows to the world. Through them, we take in colors, faces, places, and moments that shape our lives. Yet despite their importance, eye health is something many of us overlook until a problem arises. Dr. William Li is a renowned physician, scientist, and New York Times best-selling author, best known for his groundbreaking research on how food impacts health and fights diseases.
The most common causes of vision loss and cognitive loss is actually interference with the circulation of both our eyes and our brain.
In today's world, our vision faces more challenges than ever before. Hours spent staring at computer monitors, smartphones, and TVs put immense strain on our eyes. Environmental factors like pollution, dust, and UV radiation quietly add to the stress. On top of that, the natural aging process and nutritional deficiencies can gradually weaken eyesight, often without obvious early warning signs.
Our blood vessels are the highways and byways that bring the oxygen that we breathe and the nutrients that we use to feed every single organ, including our eyes. Our nutrition can help us keep blood vessels healthy, and that's really where eating to beat vision loss is a reality. So when we have healthy blood vessels, very good circulation, our vision is actually good.
As we age, especially between 40 and 60, our chances of developing vision problems or even losing our sight become much higher, according to the World Health Organization. But Dr. William Li emphasizes that protecting your eyesight doesn't have to feel overwhelming. In fact, he believes it's easier than ever, and it begins with something as simple as what's on your plate. By making smart, nourishing food choices, you're not just maintaining a healthy vision, you may actually strengthen and improve it over time. Dr. William Li's research highlights how certain nutrients can strengthen the delicate blood vessels in your eyes and even help repair cell damage. And pumpkin is one of the most powerful foods for the job.
One of my favorite times of the year is fall, and with fall comes the pumpkin. Check it out. I love pumpkins. One of the reasons I love pumpkins is actually a great source of dietary fiber. A cup of pumpkin actually contains 6 to 7 grams of dietary fiber. It's about a fourth of what you would actually want for a whole day in a single cup. So think about all the things you could do with dietary fiber to improve your gut health, which lowers inflammation, improves your immune system, and activates your metabolism.
Pumpkin is more than just a seasonal favorite. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can protect your vision and promote overall healing throughout the body. According to research highlighted by Dr. William Li, pumpkin is packed with compounds that directly support eye health and systemic repair. Pumpkin delivers whole-body healing benefits. Its high fiber content supports healthy digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels, which is particularly important in preventing diabetic complications, including diabetic eye disease. The potassium in pumpkin helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health, while its antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative damage throughout the body. Even pumpkin seeds carry unique benefits. They are loaded with zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats that strengthen immunity, improve circulation, and further protect vision.
But the other thing about pumpkins is that it contains zeaxanthin and lutein. These are bioactives that have been shown, they've been shown to be good for aging, eyesight, to prevent vision loss from age-related macular degeneration. So maybe you know somebody who's getting older who wants to protect their vision, but also those are carotenoids that have been shown to improve your metabolism, improve your gut health, improve your immune system, and improve your circulation as well. So a lot of good reasons to actually like a pumpkin. Now, here's the thing. When you're a kid, you buy a pumpkin, you carve it, and you toss out the insides. What I'm telling you to do, because of all these good bioactives, is to look for a recipe to actually cook with the pumpkins. You can roast the seeds, all right? You can also take the flesh and make something delicious out of it. That's where the dietary fiber is. That's where the lutein and zeaxanthin is as well. So don't toss it out, use it.
One of pumpkin's most valuable nutrients is beta-carotene, a plant pigment that gives pumpkin its bright orange color. Once consumed, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for good vision. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining the cornea, the outermost layer of the eye, and helps the retina function properly in low-light conditions. In fact, vitamin A deficiency is one of the leading causes of preventable blindness worldwide, making pumpkin a natural protector against vision loss. Pumpkin is also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that concentrate in the retina and act as natural filters for harmful high-energy blue light. These carotenoids shield the eyes from oxidative stress, slowing down the progression of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Combined, these compounds act as a defense system for the delicate tissues of the eye. By regulating angiogenesis, the body's natural process of repairing and growing blood vessels, pumpkin helps maintain healthy circulation while preventing abnormal vessel growth that can damage the eyes. This means pumpkin not only nourishes but also actively contributes to healing and regeneration. Incorporating pumpkin into your daily diet, whether in soups, roasted dishes, smoothies, or by snacking on seeds, is a simple yet powerful way to preserve your vision and support whole body health. So there you have it, pumpkin, the one superfood that can help heal vision loss and restore your body from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to enjoy pumpkin soups, roasted, or pumpkin seeds? And if you want more science-backed tips from Dr. William Li's research, check out the next video right here. Until next time, eat smart and take care of your eyes.